Hi there. Oh, yawning already? Well, let's find out what's going on when we yawn and why it's so catchy. So, today's science mystery is why do we yawn? Come on now, wake up. Let's stretch those brains and learn something cool. So, what is yawning? A yawn is when you open your mouth wide, take a deep breath, and stretch your jaw muscles. It just happens. We don't even need to think about it. Well, why do we yawn? Well, scientists aren't 100% sure, but here are some top ideas. Maybe to get more oxygen, maybe to cool down the brain, or maybe just because we are tired and bored. Pretty interesting, right? So, what happens in the body when we yawn? Let's break it down. When we are sleepy, tired, or even bored, our mouth opens wide and we take a deep breath in. Our lungs fill with air, our heart might beat faster, and our brain gets a nice wake up boost. That's why we sometimes feel a bit more alert after a yawn. Have you ever yawned just because someone else did? That's called contagious yawning. It happens more with people you're close to, like family or friends. So, what does that mean? That means yawning might help us stay alert in groups too. It's like the nature's way of syncing us all up. Cool, right? Here are some fun facts. Did you know animals yawn too? Dogs, cats, and even fish. And guess what? Babies yawn while still in the womb. Yawning can also happen when you are feeling nervous. So it's not just about sleepiness. Now let's do a quick recap. Yawning is a deep breath and a big stretch. It might help get more oxygen or cool your brain. It can be contagious. Even animals do it. Now let's test your yawning knowledge. Let's start. What happens during a yawn? You sneeze loudly, you hold your breath, you take a deep breath with your mouth wide open. Think about how it feels when you yawn. Which one sounds right? That's right. A yawn is a big breath in with your mouth wide open and your jaw stretched, not a sneeze or holding your breath. Next question. Which part of the body do some scientists think gets cooled when we yawn? Stomach, brain, feet. Picture that cool breeze feeling. Where is it needed most? Well done. Yawning might help cool down the brain when it's too warm. Your brain likes staying at just the right temperature. Next question. Is yawning always because we are tired? No, it can also happen when we are bored or need to cool our brain. Yes, only tiredness causes yawns. No, yawning only happens after eating. Think of a time you yawned during a long, boring class. Exactly. We can yawn when we are bored or when our brain needs cooling, not just when we are tired. Next question. What does contagious yawning mean? Yawning spreads like a virus? Yawning when you see or hear someone else yawn? Yawning because of dust. Have you ever yawned just because your friend did? Yes, that's contagious yawning. When someone else yawns, you feel like yawning too. It's a brain thing, not a dust thing. Last question, is it true or false? Only humans yawn. Is that true or false? Think back to the fun fact slide. What did we learn? You got it. Animals like dogs, cats, and even fish yawn too. So it's definitely not just us humans. Great job, little yawning detectives. You have uncovered some cool facts about yawns. Keep asking questions and maybe try not to yawn in class.